Good afternoon. It is October 3rd, 2024, and today we had a range day. So we had this sell-off in the overnight, and prices couldn't really break out of that, which isn't anything crazy because it was 46 points. I think I want to say usually the average is only a little bit more than that. The average day size, let's see. I'm not going to do the math, but yeah, it's pretty normal. Looks like we bounced off the EMA again. So we're just going sideways. We've been going sideways for, I would say, since this day here. We chopped up a little bit, but for the most part, a lot of sideways price action. So let's take a look, see if there's any trades, anything I missed. Whoops. So in the overnight, I should say since midnight, we were trending up. And I do believe there was a nice second entry in here. Yeah. Oh, that was really early. Yeah, when I woke up, I wanted to take this second entry long right here. But it gapped over, so I couldn't get in it. I was a little disappointing. I kept my cool, though. So most people aren't going to be awake at that time, but, if you're in Europe or something, you're awake. Definitely take that. Higher low off the trend line, higher low here. And this is just sideways stuff. So this is a range right there. So you could buy the lows of the range, but there's a news item coming, so you should stay out. And then we get this here. And you could argue for this one. Whoops. Only problem with this is I was looking at this channel up, and so I thought maybe we would get a break and a move to a new high, but we did not. And so what we got was like a double test of the EMA and a second entry short. So I like this one too. It's like a second entry high or low, but once you get this bar, you should probably just get out. And so then we just go sideways, and the market opens, and we're still going sideways. And it's hard to tell what's going on, especially when you get this congestion below the EMA, and then it reverses, and I don't think you can get in on this channel up. Looks like another news item at 7 a.m. We get a break, move to a new high, spike and channel in that, and then the floor just falls out, and we test the open. There's no trades in here that I see. We bounce at the opening price, and we get a second leg up, and you get a second entry long, failed second entry long here. You could consider that. Takes a minute, but it ends up being a really good trade. And then this is just sideways. A lot of overlap. Get a double bottom, bounces, boom. You could look at it like this. This is the micro channel. Or I'm sorry, that's not the micro channel. You could look at it like this off the first pullback, but there's a micro channel, so maybe you're just looking at that, and you get a overshoot break, two legs to a new high, and then we go sideways. sell off. It's pretty, I would say it's pretty inconsistent here, but you can see there's like a sort of level of support here. So there's that, but there's also like that. So people are buying down there. You can see it here kind of roll over, but I don't see any setup in there. This looked like a channel up to me, so you could consider this high or low. You're going to be risking 5 points there, though. But it looks pretty good. And then we just top out, and they trap me right here. But I mean, this isn't a good entry. It's a second entry long off the EMA, but it's a bad signal bar, being that it's a bear bar, and there's 4 dojis right there, and this isn't like a strong trend day. I would say take that on a strong trend day, but this is a range day. You get this sort of wedge bottom down here. I'm just not seeing a lot of entries, according to max rules anyway. You could enter here on a wedge bottom and just swing it. No. This kind of looks like something, but it's not. Looks like we get a break here. Sideways stuff, pull back to the EMA and the trend line, boom. This kind of looks like a 2-legged pullback. Make this double top here, nice leg down, and I would take this second entry short, because this looks like we're topping out. You see this sideways stuff, we break higher, a lot of congestion. This is just sideways. Range, breaks higher, boom. So I like that second entry short. And now we have a clear break right here. 2 legs down to a new low. We get a leg up. 2 legs down to a new low. We get this double bottom. Boom, break, move to a new high, double top. I don't think I would take this failure. Maybe you go short on the lower high, but it's got a bull body. You got like a little double test right here. Not crazy about that though. In this price action, leg down, boom, bounces. Just a lot of sideways stuff. Tons of sideways in here. I don't see anything. Yeah. Basically, you just have to be very aggressive in here. Yeah, this is just the range. So, I mean, if you buy down here, that's okay, because you're buying low. This kind of looks like something. You know, perhaps you consider this bull breakout. Look for like a measured move of this sideways stuff. That's the second entry long, but it's got no body. So that's how I saw it today. A lot of sideways stuff. Hope everyone had a great day. I'll be back tomorrow.